Hey guys, Porter here, chiming in for actually a quick update. I know I haven't posted a video in a while. Man, I swear, I'm trying to get better at it, but so many things come up. Life, work, kids, family, all that good stuff. And that stuff is amazing, and it kind of takes priority sometimes, right? But here I am. As you can see, I'm pointing at the differential on my car. I've got it torn out. I've got new races pushed in for the pinion gear, and panning out there. Forgive my mess, but I've got the ring on, and there's the new pinion ready to go in. I used kind of like a dummy bearing to kind of set everything up so I can get like pinion depth and all that stuff. But this I took all of it back out so I could clean off some of the marking compound and kind of clean some of the debris that you kind of get going in and out of it a couple times. But I'm going to re-lube the bearings before I put it in. And theoretically, all I got to do is put it all together, new pinion seal. Like I said, I got the spacer in, crush the sleeve when I tighten it down, and I should be ready to put axles back into it. There's the cover I got. You might see in other videos and maybe even on my Instagram too. That's from a early 2000s Explorer 88 IRS diff that I just kind of cut the ears off, mounting ears off, and kind of cleaned up a little bit. But other than that, one thing, I did find a nice deal on Marketplace. It is an off-road H-Pipe, and I actually found a couple of Flowmasters with dumps, of course, right before the axle, that I'm going to give a try. The main thing I bought the 2.4 was for the H-Pipe, so I could hear it. But the goal is I want to put do the combination. So do the off-road H with the Dynomax mufflers, the off-road H with the Flowmasters, which actually I kind of already know sounds pretty good. But I'm curious to see what the Flowmasters sound like with my BBK H-Pipe, which has just two cats on it. So I'm just kind of curious to see how that sounds. But actually, you can kind of see I've been trying to do like a wet sand and buff here and there too. I got a, actually you can kind of see it right there. I got some touch-up paint to kind of fill in a pretty nasty scratch that actually went all the way down and actually came up onto the fender too. So I've been just doing random stuff. Sometimes I find I have more time for certain things more than others. So like when I know I only got like 20 minutes, I try and come out here and maybe wet sand and buff. When I have more time, I come out and work on the differential, and things like that. But that's kind of actually all I got right now. With the holidays, things kind of slowed down, between Thanksgiving, Christmas, and stuff like that. And then here we are in the new year. Hoping 2023 I can maybe make some more videos and stuff like that. I don't want to do like a whole bunch of how-to videos, because a lot of those, like, there's already stuff out there for that kind of thing, and it's just, I don't know, I feel like it'd be wasting time if I showed you how I did like the pinion depth and stuff like that. But I just like throwing updates, and hopefully you guys enjoy this journey with me of, turning this into something better than it was. So, as always, thanks for watching. Thanks for listening. I appreciate, I've had a couple of new subscribers over the past few months, so I appreciate you guys joining as well. And always, like, subscribe. If you have any comments or suggestions, feel free to drop them down below. Let me know what you think. But other than that, I hope everybody has a good day, a good weekend, and take care, everybody.